All right, so I'm back and we are good to start now. Uh, our guest is also here, our speakers are also here. So uh, let me just start by welcoming everyone. And we have Ms. Shampa Das today. A brief introduction about Shampa Das, and we are doing such a lovely topic, laughter therapy. So we should know who is, taking care of that. So Shampa is a certified happiness coach, and she's doing laughter yoga trainer, keynote speaker, and a corporate soft skill trainer and HR consultant too. So such a diverse personality is here with us, and she's helping us in learning this therapy. Little bit more about her is she has been a successful human resource professional and a country lead for employee engagement, employee wellness, and diversity and inclusion with over 22 years of a long experience she's possessing. And she's also doing training and development, coaching, mentoring, employee engagement programs, diversity and inclusion, and sales with various multinational organizations. So such a lovely profile you possess, Shampa. And our next 90 minutes, I'm sure, is going to be very, exciting and engaging for all of us. Normally, we follow a routine of keeping everyone on mute so that it will not disturb the presentation. But as this is a laughter therapy session and maybe you require more people to participate, so I'm leaving the rules to you. As you want to conduct, you please inform all of us and we'll follow that. So it's over to you, Shamba. Shamba, you have to unmute yourself.
I'm so sorry. Yeah. So a very good afternoon to ma'am and everyone attending this session. And thank you so much, ma'am, for a lovely introduction. Yes, so I don't have anything else to tell about myself, but I would like to directly go into the session. Unlike other sessions that we have been participating here, today's session is going to be interactive from the word go.
Bolo.
Yeah, ma'am, you would like to mute everybody for the time being.
I have muted everyone. They unmuted themselves.
Okay, okay. Ion Banerjee has some problem with his bathroom. Okay, so right away we go into the session. But before I have a screen to share for ma'am. I would like to share my screen.
Sure, sure. You able to share now?
Can everyone see my screen? Just
Yes.
right there. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. So yes. So here we are. So we start. I would like to start the session with a question that how many of you love to laugh? If the answer is yes, that you love to laugh and spread sunshine wherever you go and whatever you do, please put a Y in the chat box. Ma'am, you would like, I would request you to kindly help me with the responses if it is a yes or a no.
So it's as of now everyone is saying why, Shampa?
Wonderful. Thank you so much, which means we are in great company today. So, this is a therapy that I use for stress management in times like this specifically, simply because nobody likes to work in a situation where there is a lot of negativity, and with so much of stress, tension all around, it is important to understand or imbibe a way to bring about the positivity in our life. But I completely understand that it is easy to laugh when times are good, but when times are difficult as today with so much of sickness, death, tension, stress, fear, anxiety, quarantine, lockdown, and this Amphan, then the locust wave with all around, life does not give us a reason to smile, let alone a laughter. However, trust me, for people like us who practice laughter therapy on ourselves and with people all around that we meet and the clients, we can assure you that laughter is the best medicine, something that we have been hearing since our childhood days, but it is the best medicine. But for those of you who are new to laughter yoga, or for that matter, laughter therapy, let me just share with you the concept. Laughter yoga is a concept where anybody can laugh without comedy, joke, or humor. It is done in the form of a group exercise, maintaining eye contact and childlike playfulness. Yes, you heard me right. Childlike playfulness is the core essence of laughter yoga. Now, if I ask you to go back to your childhood, you will automatically smile. And because when we were children, we did not need a reason to smile, or did not need any humor or joke to smile. We laughed, we smiled, and we played around. Similarly, if you see today, when we are grown-ups and we have children at home, you must be agreeing with me when I say that, children, when they are playing around, they are a joy to watch because they are laughing. You may be knowing, or you may be surprised to know, that a child laughs for about 300 to 400 times a day, because it's bodily laughter for them and they are a joy to watch. But we adults, we laugh from our head. And on a very good day, when we are in a good mood and the day has been going great, we laugh for just about 12 to 15 times a day, and which lasts for just a few seconds. And that is not good enough to reap the psychological or physiological benefits associated with this therapy. So what do we do in laughter yoga? In laughter yoga, we combine laughter exercises which are improvised from childlike playfulness and combine it with deep breathing associated with pranayama or yogic breathing that we practice in our day-to-day yoga practices. And thus the name laughter yoga, and hence the laughter therapy. Now, people who practice laughter therapy on themselves or on others, they are able to enjoy a better frame of mind, deal with things in a much positive manner, enjoy a high level of energy, a positive attitude, and so on and so forth. And if you talk to them, they will tell you that we don't laugh because we are happy. We are happy because we laugh. And that is a trick I am here to share with you today. But a large number of you can, most of you can just tell me that, Shampa, I don't feel like laughing. मुझे हंसी आती नहीं है. I am not those people who keep giggling. I am one of those serious kinds, and I completely appreciate and I respect that. You will be happy to know that it has been scientifically proven that our body cannot differentiate between fake laughter or real laughter. As a result, I request my participants, I urge my participants, and I will urge all my friends here today, fake laughter. Act as if you have won an Oscar award in laughing. You will reap the benefits associated with laughter yoga, both the psychological benefits as well as physiological benefits. You will see the endorphins, the serotonins, the dopamines of the world getting generated in your body and brain automatically. However, there is one caveat to it. What is the caveat? Caveat is that you have to laugh willingly. You have to act willingly. You have to fake laughter willingly and with childlike playfulness, and by maintaining eye contact with each one of us or with whoever you are laughing. You will see the fake laughter soon getting converted into real contagious laughter, and hence you will reap all the benefits associated with this therapy. Now let's move on to, and I assure you of that, and that is why today, whosoever's bandwidth permits, in a little while from now, I will request each one of you to switch on your videos as well as audios so that we can learn this therapy, enjoy this therapy, and benefit from it firsthand to understand how it works. So fake it till you make it. And that's an honest effort from my side. There are 4 steps to laughter yoga. The first step is breathing. And this is something voluntary. We do not need to do anything extra. We will learn in a while how to do some deep breathing exercises to bring back the calm and balance in our own selves. That's a separate chapter that we will touch upon. But breathing is something that we can do, and we are happy. Second is clapping. This is where I need all of you to please switch on your audios and videos as well. Please switch on your audios and videos. Yeah, thank you so much. So this clapping is a little different. If you can watch me here, it is palm to palm, finger to finger clapping. And this is how it goes. It goes like ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Can you please do it with me? Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Thank you. Now the question is, Shampa, why are you clapping in this manner and not in the general way that we do? That is simply because I am sure you are aware that, ma'am, kindly mute everyone this moment. Thank you.
Shampa, you also got mute. Please unmute yourself.
There, yeah, I'm good. So, why are we clapping in this particular manner, palm to palm, finger to finger? That is simply because all the acupressure points associated with our organs throughout the body are concentrated in our palms and the fingertips. By clapping in this manner, we are activating the acupressure points in our whole body, and as a result of which we are activating these organs to function better, if not optimally. Thus, this kind of clapping is important. Third step, childlike playfulness. As I said, childlike playfulness is the core essence of laughter yoga. So today, each one of you, if you want to really learn this therapy, go back to your childhood, shed all your inhibitions. How do we incorporate childlike playfulness? By a simple exercise, and it goes like this. Very good, very good. Yay! Can all of you please do it with me? Very good, very good. Yay! You can unmute yourselves, please, and your videos should be on. Very good, very good. Yay!
Yay!
Yeah, yes, Manas, that's wonderful. Yay! So, what is the magic in this very good, yeah, and why do we do it? Very good. This is an universal motivation. If you honestly say this, and if you take it as simply as it is said, you feel motivated, irrespective of wherever you are on this planet. Secondly, yay! This is our body's involuntary expression of joy and happiness. Whether India is winning a match against Pakistan, body goes yay! Whether we get an appreciation mail from our client, yay! Whether we have grabbed a contract as a trainer, yay! Whether it's an appreciation mail from a senior in office, body goes yay! Or a rating that you have been expecting, yay! So this is our body's involuntary expression of joy and happiness. Hence, our body goes, very good, very good. Yay! Can we all do it once more together? Very good,
Very good.
very good.
Very good. Yay!
Yay! Yes. And lastly, laughter exercises, all improvised from childlike playfulness. Okay. So, okay. Now, these are the 4 steps. Now, something that we all know, but today as a part of the therapy, it is my responsibility to share with you. Yeah, it's my responsibility to share with you the sounds of laughter. So, we laugh in 3 sounds and the variations of it. It is ha-ha, ho-ho, and hee-hee. Okay. Now, to understand how ho-ho functions, I need you to place your palm on your belly button, lightly on your belly button. Ma'am, may I request you to please all of you switch on your videos, and ma'am, please put us in the tile mode if possible, so that we can,
yeah,
if possible.
From my side, it is on tile mode. I think you have to set from your end. I have done it in my tile mode.
Okay, okay, fine, great. Okay, so just place your palm lightly on your belly button, and the words are ho ho. How does it go like? Please laugh with me, unmute yourself, and let's go. Wonderful, you guys are just amazing. So did you feel the vibration around your belly button and the stomach area? This actually helps to release the serotonin and the dopamines of the world, something that you will not get over the counter. And these are 2 of the critical happiness hormones. For those of you who want to lose some stomach fat, this is also a great way to do it if you enjoy belly laughter for 15 minutes every day. You not just benefit yourselves, you also light up the environment with belly laughter. So this is a great way to imbibe and grow the serotonins and dopamines in the body. The second laughter is called the ha 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 laughter. For that, it's actually the hearty laughter. For that, I request you to place your hand lightly on your chest. Lightly on your chest. Lightly, okay? And here we go. This is how it goes. Wonderful, you guys are just brilliant. Now, please mute everyone, ma'am. Kindly mute everyone. I am also muted. So, yes, fine. Okay, so this laughter, ha-ha, or the hearty laughter, it actually helps to strengthen your cardiovascular and your pulmonary muscles. It is so important in today's situation, in the COVID-19 situation. Why is it so? Because generally our lungs, all doctors will say, our lungs work on at a 60% capacity, which means 40% of our lungs are still having the toxins and the carbon dioxide residues inside them. And thus, we are not being able to oxygenate our body and brain optimally. Through hearty laughter, this kind of a ha 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 laughter, this actually helps to exhale the last drop of carbon dioxide from your system, simultaneously strengthening the muscles of your lungs as well as heart. It also helps into thus we are being able to we are increasing the capacity of our lungs to inhale more oxygen, which is so important for each of our organs to function optimally. The third kind of laughter is the hee-hee laughter. For that, I request you to place your fingers lightly on your throat. Lightly on your throat, okay? And the sound is just hee-hee. So we just go please do it with me. Please do it with us. Only then you will understand the benefit. Manas, Sharmi, Snehpal Singh are all I can see, and rest of you kindly do it with me. Thank you so much. Thank you. That was amazing. Okay, let us all go mute. Okay, so this kind of a laughter, it not only massages our thoracic muscles, it also massages our thyroid glands to help it function in a better manner. And a combination of the ho-ho, ha-ha and hee-hee laughter. You know, if you enjoy a very good hearty laughter with your friends, kya hota hai? Sometimes we start coughing. Because this kind of a laughter also helps to clear our esophagus and our larynx from all the toxins that is accumulated, including the mucus we throw up from our throat. And it is so important to do so in a COVID situation as well. Okay, so now we are good to go. Okay, so this was the theory behind the laughter, and of course there are variations of ha ha hee hee laughter that happens, but the core essence of laughter, or the core main types of laughter, are these three. So now we are good to go with the laughter exercises. So let us learn a few laughter exercises, and I will stop sharing my screen. How do I stop sharing? Okay, I stopped sharing my screen and we are all good to go. Okay, I request all of you to please switch on your videos so that we can maintain eye contact with each other even though we are in a virtual environment. Thank you so much for all those who are switching on. Yeah. Okay, and of course you can please unmute yourselves as well so that we can hear the laughter, and hearing laughter also is beneficial because smile is the most infectious thing, just like yawning is. So let us do the first warm-up exercise. The first warm-up exercise is ho ho ha ha ho ho ha ha ha. Come on, let's start with me. Ho ho ha ha ha. 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 Very good. Very good. Yay. Very good. Yay. Wonderful. The third warm-up exercise is a combination of the ha-ha, ho-ho, hee-hee laughter. And how does it go? This is how it goes. You roll your hand frontwise. Just roll your hands vigorously frontwise. Okay? And then roll them back inward. Roll them back inward. Okay? So this is the physical exercise. And the laughter, your warm-up exercise goes like this. As you roll outward, you can stand up if you are comfortable. Absolutely fine. Okay? So this is how it goes. We go inward, outward. Very good, very
Very
good.
good.
Yay!
Yay!
Very
Very
good,
good.
very
Very
good.
good. Yay!
Yay! Thank you so much. Wonderful. Now let us start with the actual exercises. So I have woven a story for us, given the fact it is lockdown at the moment. Okay, so most of what are we doing? Our daily routine will fall into these exercises. The first routine, the first exercise, as we wake up in the morning, we are either praying to the Almighty of our choice, or we are greeting people. And the world is today greeting with a namaste. Will you agree with me? A thumbs up would be great.
Yes.
Yes, thank you. So let us start with the namaste laughter. And how? Let us start with the namaste laughter. A few more videos would have been wonderful. So this is how it goes. Come on, let's start. Neta wala laughter. Okay, very nice, wonderful. After we are done with our puja, archana, aarti and everybody else, now it is time for breakfast. So it is very hot across the country, so let's make some lassi and drink it, okay, for breakfast. So this is called the lassi laughter, and this is how it goes. It goes like, yeah, yeah. Just one caution, one caution. Laugh till the last breath. Laugh till the last breath. Okay, so let's get going. Let's make the lassi. Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's make it. Now let's play some mischief. We will make the lassi and we will throw it at each other. Okay? Let's make the lassi and throw it at each other. So let's go. Yeah, 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 Once again, yeah, 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 Now that we have thrown lassi at each other, do you think, ghadwale chhod denge kya? Whoever it might be, or your colleagues for that matter, if you happen to be in office. Definitely there's going to be an argument, right? How dare you do it? So we will definitely argue, but through a laughter. And this is how it goes. Come on, let's go. Argue with Very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! Okay. Now that we have argued, we have fought. What happens when adults fight if it is spouses don't even ask? One goes to the western side of the house and the other goes to the eastern side of the house, the north and the south. They don't talk to each other. But think of yourself as a child. What does a child do when it is upset or when he or she is sad? They make faces, right? They make faces. And I love the face they make, ye wala face. Okay? So now we will make up with the lion laughter. And what is the importance of lion laughter in laughter therapy? When you are laughing, I will show you the laughter. When you are laughing, just see where you are laughing from. You will not be laughing from your stomach. You will see you're laughing from your diaphragm. Okay. So diaphragmatic laughter is very critical in order to generate serotonin in your body. It is very, very critical. Okay. So let us do this. How do we do it? We inhale, just watch me once. Inhale all the air in breathing. Breathe in all the air. Yes. Yeah. Okay, once again. Breathe in. Yeah. Come on, breathe till the last breath. Once more. Breathe in. Yeah. Very good, very good. Yay! Now it's already been 30 minutes and we have not washed our hands. So it's time to wash our hands quickly with soap and water. So let's do it. Come on, do it.
And then she saw herself and she ran away.
Wonderful, wonderful. Now that we are ready, we've had our breakfast, we've made up with our people. Now we come back to work. Okay, we sit on our laptop. The first thing we need to do in today's time is to clean the laptop. Even before we log in, usko sanitize karna padega, right? So you do the sanitizer. Shh, shh. Keyboard. We are ready. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, now that we are ready, so we first check the mail, and the first mail says, please call me as soon as you receive this mail. The first meeting of the day over the phone. Oh God, it's time. It's time to laugh. So we will laugh and we will talk. Some people have one phone, some people have two phones these days. Yes, right? Okay, so let's go. The first meeting starts. Another call has come in. Oh God, what has happened? The Wi-Fi network has gone. I cannot check my mail. Wi-Fi, the lifeline in today's corporate world, whether you are working from home, whether you are doing an online training, or you are trying to respond to somebody in office. Okay, so let us search for the Wi-Fi. So I have named it the Wi-Fi exercise laughter. How does it? So watch me. When the Wi-Fi is low, we will search like this. Ho 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 ho. हो 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 थोड़ा बेटर हुआ लो सिग्नल feeling hot. If you are feeling hot, put a thumbs up. If you are feeling hot, put a thumbs up. Hot. गर्मी लग रही है तो put a thumbs up. Amazing. Lot of people are feeling hot. Okay, so let us do a I am feeling hot laughter. Come on. You're helping others cool down. Very good. Yay! Very good. Yay! Now you are responding to mails, Wi-Fi coming and going. Everything is fine. It is lunchtime. We quickly go, we take a shower, and we think of taking a 30 minutes break. So we go and sit. Kindly mute yourself. Thank you. So we go and sit in our favorite couch, and we see a bill. What is this bill? Now it's a credit card bill. Everything is happening online. We are ordering, we don't know what. We don't know what is going to be our next month's credit card bill. So it is here. So this is called the credit card bill laughter. We will open the bill and we are shocked. So seeing the credit card bill, we will get shocked and we will laugh. And we will show the bill to each other. We will call up people and we will say, Kya ho gaya? How do I pay the bill? We will do all these things through laughter. So now let us open the credit card bill. Tear the envelope. Show each other the bill. Very good. Yay! Now the shock, we are yet to overcome the shock. We are sitting, we are trying to read a mail, and sometimes we just laugh and we don't know why we are laughing. Sometimes we are unhappy and we laugh. We are shocked and we laugh. Will you agree? Just nod your head. Yeah. Sometimes we don't know why we are laughing. Yeah. So this is called I don't know why I'm laughing. And people ask you, "Has kyun rahe ho?" I don't know why I'm laughing. So we'll do that laughter, okay? Come on, let's laugh. I cannot hear you guys. Come on, unmute yourself. Now when you laugh uncontrollably, people at home at times say, "Shut up, don't laugh anymore." Right? We say, "Enough is enough. Now shut up. I cannot tolerate you laughing anymore." So we will do the zipper laughter. This is one of my favorites. When you are sister, you don't laugh. Zip. Zip. Now that we have laughed so much, our Mobile phone, take it out. Sanitizer. Very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! Okay, it's 4 p.m. in the afternoon and we are all feeling, it's coffee break time. We need to make some tea or coffee for ourselves. Okay, so let us go to the kitchen and make some tea or coffee. How do we make that? Yeah, pouring water. Yeah, and what? It's boiling. Gas switched off. Now you put sugar. Okay, and strain it. And then strain. Breathe in as you sip in. Now the fact that we have laughed so much, it is time we appreciate each other, right? We must appreciate each other. How do we do that? Now let us hug each other. It's a social distancing hugging laughter. How do we do that? You breathe in. Inhale. Yeah. Yeah. And hug each other. Oh. Very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! We are all trainers and we love to do some magic in our classrooms. So what do? We do this. Do this magic with me. Learn this magic. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so after office hours, now we are feeling hot. Now we go for a bath. Now we need to soap ourselves. But you know how do we do that? Ha 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 ha. Ho 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 ho. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ho 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 ho. Ha 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 ha. And there is no, you switch on the tap and there is no water. Let's do it. Let's soap ourselves. Now you switch on the tap and you find there is no water. How will you laugh? Okay, the water has come. Okay, the water has come. You have taken a bath. You have cleaned yourself. Now you are nice and fresh. Okay, you are nice and fresh. And now we will end our laughter exercises through a social handshake. But we are not supposed to shake hands with anybody now. So what we will do, the moment we try to do a handshake, we'll get a current. We'll get a current and we'll laugh. The current laughter, okay? So let's go. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Shake hands with each other. Okay, thank you so much. So wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. You are an amazing audience, and I'm sure this is what, to a certain extent, you will be able to replicate with your participants. Tell me again, just give me a thumbs up if your heart is beating fast. If it is beating fast right now, give me a thumbs up. Yeah, okay. If you were participating, yes, that's right. You will be surprised to hear that about 30 minutes of laughter, continuous laughter exercises is as it gives you a runner's high. It is as good as rowing for a mile. You are sweating. I am sure you are perspiring already. Even doing 20 minutes of yoga, traditional yoga, at times we may not perspire. So that is the kind of adrenaline rush that you can experience through laughter yoga. So here, starting now, we will have to bring down our heart rate. Just as in any exercise, our heart rate goes up and then we bring it down, okay? So now we will do some breathing exercises, okay? Okay, so we will learn a few techniques of breathing exercises. But before we close our eyes for our normal deep breathing, I will teach you something called a humming meditation. Swati ma'am the other day in her session was mentioning about humming. Now that not everybody can sing. If you can sing a full song by humming. Humming and without any hesitation, without any inhibition, just hum. But if you want to do the humming meditation, this is how it goes, okay? So just sit comfortably wherever you are. You can do the humming meditation also helps you go off to sleep very, very nicely and very peacefully as well. So at bedtime, you can just lie down with your light switch off and do this for about 5 to 7 minutes to help you calm your nerves and also help you to sleep. So I request all of you to please take a seat comfortably and just, okay, I am starting the humming. It is in the rhythm of A, E, I, O, U. But you please start with me. The moment you can just catch up with me. You can unmute yourself provided there is no other noise around you. Okay? So this is how it goes. Take a deep breath. And we go like this. Keep your eyes closed. Please, ma'am, please mute everybody kindly.
Mute from my side. They have to mute them.
Okay, thank you so much. So all of you continue to keep your eyes closed, sit comfortably, place your hands on your palms and breathe. Take a deep, long breath. Inhale deeply. Take a deep, long breath and exhale. Take a deep, long breath and exhale. Now listen to me with your eyes closed, preferably eyes upturned to your third eye position. Keep your spine straight as possible. And let us inhale or take a deep breath with a count of 4. And this is how it goes. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. And you hold the breath for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. And exhale by the count of 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale and exhale. Go back to your normal breathing, your eyes closed. Just go back to your normal breathing cycles. Take a deep, long breath and exhale. Spend a minute or two in this manner. Inhale and exhale. Now with your eyes closed, place your palm on your stomach. Place your palm on your stomach. And as you inhale, see your stomach inflate. And as you exhale, see your stomach go in. Inhale, out. Exhale, the stomach goes in. Inhale, out. Exhale, 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 in. When you're doing at home, continue to do this for at least 3 rounds. This is the third breathing technique. The final breathing technique, I will help you relax all your muscles in the body. For that, Mr. Gulati, I request you to and close your eyes and sit comfortably wherever you feel like. Okay? Close your eyes and keep breathing normally. With your, preferably take off your slippers and place your feet naked on the ground. Kindly mute yourself in this exercise. Okay, Mr. Gulati, that's fine, thank you. Okay, so inhale, take a deep breath and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Eyes closed, eyes upturned to your third eye position. Your palms open on your thighs. As you breathe, concentrate on your forehead area. Eyes closed, concentrate on your forehead. And relax all the muscles on your forehead and your temples. Relax. Relax the muscles behind your head and relax. Relax the portion behind your right ear and relax. Relax the portion behind your left ear and relax. Relax the back side of your neck and relax. Relax the right side of your neck and feel the relaxation flow into your right shoulders. Relax the left side of your neck and relax the left shoulders as well. Relax. Relax your upper back. Relax. Feel the relaxation caress your upper back, your middle back, your lower back. And relax. Feel the relaxation flow down your spine. And relax. Now relax the right side of your upper right chest. Relax your upper chest on the right side and relax. Relax your left upper chest and relax. Relax your throat muscles and relax. Relax your stomach muscles and relax. Relax your abdominal muscles. Relax. Relax your right hip. Relax the muscles of your right hip and relax. Relax the muscles of your left hip and relax. Feel the relaxation flow down from your right shoulder onto your right upper arm and relax. Feel the relaxation flow into your right lower arm and relax. Feel the relaxation in your right palm and your right fingers, right hand fingers, and relax. Feel the relaxation flow down from your left shoulders into your left upper arm, and relax the muscles of your right upper arm, and relax. Relax your left lower arm, and relax. Feel the relaxation flow into your left palm and your left hand fingers, and relax. Now feel the relaxation in your right thighs. Relax the muscles of your right thighs, your upper thighs, your lower thighs. Relax the muscles of your left thighs, the left upper thigh and the left lower thighs as well. Feel the relaxation flowing through your knees. Now relax the right calf muscles. Relax. Relax the front side of your right leg and relax. Relax your left calf muscles. Relax. Relax the front side of your left leg, left lower leg, and relax. Feel the tingling sensation in your ankles. Relax the ankles. Relax your right foot and feel the relaxation flow into your right toes. Relax your left foot and feel the relaxation flow into your left toes. Feel Mother Earth suck in all negativity, fear, anxiety, stress, depression from your body. Feel the lightness in your whole existence. Feel Mother Earth and the universe fill you up with love, care, compassion. Feel the cool air surrounding you. Feel the peace within. Enjoy the relaxation. Feel the cool air around your palms with gratitude. Feel the joy inside. Feel the stillness inside you. Feel the universe filling you up with love, care, compassion, camaraderie. Feel the stillness. Feel the stillness. Feel the joy. Feel the calm. Feeling relaxed, mind, body, soul. Enjoy the stillness for a moment more. Now raise your palms in a namaskar position. And rub your palms vigorously against each other. Rub your palms vigorously against each other. And put your warm palms on your eyes. See the cool blue light within. Once more, rub your palms vigorously against each other. And place the palms on your eyes. Slowly take your time and open your eyes. Slowly take your time and open your eyes. Thank you. I'm open to questions now, so if you have any questions, please ask.
हेलो
Yes, please.
नमस्कार, बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत आनंद आया। मैं जरा बाहर था और ये रिकॉर्डिंग मैं चाहूँगा मिल जाए तो जो एक्सरसाइज मैं बैठ के भी कर लूँगा। और सेकेंडली ये प्रोग्राम में जुड़ना हो तो कोई नंबर शेयर कर दीजिए।
Okay.
Sir, we have your number. Shampa, what do you want to do?
So we can share, in the group itself. We are a part of the group, so we can do it there. If you want, I can share it now, or we can.
As you like. I have given my number in the group.
Yeah, we'll share the number there, sir. We have it in the chat box.
Sure.
Champa, good afternoon. Parshuram here from Manila, Philippines.
Hi.
I got your name and I was immediately logged in. I'm in office. I could not completely do this laughter yoga. Thank you so much. Would love to connect with you to bring you for my company employees so that they can learn something good during this pandemic. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I would love to hear your feedback. If not, you can just unmute yourself and share, or you can just write it in the chat box as well.
I request everyone, if you are not a part of a trainers club group, I'm sharing the number here. You can just text on that whatever you want to. If you want to conduct a session with her, I'll share with her. So you can just WhatsApp on this number if anyone wants to do this session at their location.
Yes.
Yeah. You know, can you hear me?
Yes, Shani, you are audible.
Yeah. So there, accumulation of stress after.
Hello?
One should devote to have a healthy balance today. And today still it's a lockdown situation for some more days. What is the ideal time one must devote to these exercises?
15 minutes. 15 minutes of laughter yoga will hold you good at any point in time. So just a combination of the ha ha ho ho he he laughter, 15 minutes every day is good enough.
And what particular time which you suggest?
Anytime, begin your day. Begin your day with laughter. So nothing like it so tell me something, how are you feeling after the session? After this session, it's post-lunch. How are you feeling? One word if you would describe.
Enjoy.
How are you feeling inside? But if you can describe in one word.
Light.
Exactly so. You feel light.
Relaxed.
You feel relaxed. And these are the common, some people say, I'm feeling very peaceful. Some people say, I'm feeling very happy. And so on and so forth. So if you begin your day with laughter just for 15 minutes, it is going to be good. And at any point in time during anxiety, let me just share, since we have some time, let me also share with you these breathing exercises, the breathing 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, and exhale 2, 3, 4. This plays magic in terms of anxiety or fear, whether you are an adult or whether you are a child. Okay, so whenever the body is in a stressful situation, ma'am, you might want to unmute everyone so that I can share this thing with them. Oh, yeah, thank you so much, Vishya ma'am. So what happens is, when the body is in a continuous fear or anxiety stressful situation, then the body gets into a flight or fight mechanism, whereby 40% of in the body gushes to the muscles to get the body to either fight back the situation or run away from the situation to protect itself. Now, body does not understand it is a mental thing, that you are mentally now negative because you are scared of something, or there is continuous anxiety about something, you are tensed about something, you are depressed about something, or you are stressed, right? So they are all different things, but nonetheless they are all different kinds of negative emotions that floods our body with toxins. That is whenever you feel it, wherever you are, sitting in a bus, sitting in a car, in your office, or at home, or you had a fight with someone, or whatever it may have been, you are in a negative frame of mind. Simply sit back and do 15 rounds of deep breathing. Any of the deep breathing. You can do the humming 15 rounds. You can do the inhalation 4 by 4 by 4. That you can do 15 rounds. Or you can do that stomach out, stomach in deep breathing 15 rounds. Do this 15 rounds. You will see your blood flow normalizing. You will feel the headache that was beginning in your head. That will subside. This is science. This is no magic. Okay, so this is going to restore your inner calm so that you can respond to the situation, whatever it might be, and not react to it, because the moment you react, the situation generally flares up. I am sure you're going to agree with me when I say this. Okay, and one more thing that I would like to share with you, that people who have a hypertension, people who have breathing problems, when we are anxious, when we are scared, we don't talk to people. We seclude ourselves from people. That's body's natural mechanism. Or if we have short breath, we can't breathe. We feel we are getting suffocated. Aisa kuch nahi ho raha hai. All you need to is, if you suffer from this kind of a situation often in your life, then at least 3 times a day, at least 2 times, if not 3 times, just do 15 sets of this, 15 cycles of deep breathing. It will keep you safe. And laughter yoga is magical. If you can do laughter yoga 15 minutes a day, anytime during the day, but ensure you are empty stomach. Ab kya hota hai na, today most of us were faking it, a lot of you, but you will see soon it will become real laughter. We all learn to laugh. A lot of my when I've done it for hospitals, I've seen even patients, nurses under stress situation, doctors, they started faking, but it soon became real because they were doing it with willingness. Even normal people, even corporate clients also, they start faking, but soon it becomes real and contagious laughter. So this laughter will help you restore, give you a lot of energy, help you deal with situations better. Even in a negative situation, it will help to maintain composure. It will help you laugh at silly things, at small things which pinches us in a corporate life or even at office. It helps to deal with life in a better manner by maintaining inner calm and consciously, like it's driving, driving a car. Initially, it is at a consciousness, and when you become an expert, it becomes a part of your whole body mechanism and it reacts naturally. Laughter yoga is the same thing. So please make it a part of your life, and that is how it works. It has worked for me. That is why, you know, I used to suffer from chronic migraine conditions, chronic sinusitis conditions. Today, I am free of it. In fact, you will be surprised to know that something happened yesterday. Whole night I couldn't sleep. I was having a splitting headache since the morning. But right now, I am feeling so relaxed because it is one win-win situation. आप खुद के लिए करोगे, it benefits you. आप जिसके लिए करोगे, it benefits as well. So, family, even in because you will stop reacting and start, you know, taking things with a salt and with a face. That is how powerful this is.
Yes, I can say something.
Yes, please.
Myself is R.K. Gulati. प्यार से मेरे को लोग डॉक्टर नेचुरल गुलाटी बुलाते हैं, डॉक्टर हैप्पीनेस गुलाटी बुलाते हैं, डॉक्टर विस्की गुलाटी बुलाते हैं, डॉक्टर सीक्रेट गुलाटी बुलाते हैं, डॉक्टर स्लीपिंग गुलाटी बुलाते हैं, डॉक्टर बैगर गुलाटी बुलाते हैं। 22 घंटे मेरे आप लोगों के लिए हैं, 2 घंटे मुझे मिलते हैं। मेरे नाम अकॉर्डिंगली चलते हैं। सुबह 6 से 5, शाम को 5 बजे तक डॉक्टर नेचुरल गुलाटी आपकी माइग्रेन नेचर से ठीक कर दूंगा। 5 से 6 हैप्पीनेस, 6 से 8 विस्की से ठीक कर दूंगा। 8 से 10 सीक्रेट आपको सारे बता देंगे, और 10 से 2 बजे स्लीपिंग, और 2 से 4 डॉक्टर बैगर गुलाटी। वो जरा मुश्किल है लोगों के लिए। अब मैं 2 बजे कैसे उठता हूँ, क्यों उठता हूँ, वो कभी बताएंगे, पूछना चाहेंगे। टाइम है तो अभी बता देते हैं, टाइम है तो अभी बता देते हैं। 2 लाइनें। हाँ, बताऊं?
Yes, sir, you can go.
रात को सोते समय मैं 2 लाइनें बोलता हूँ। प्रकृति माँ, कल सुबह मुझे तभी उठाना अगर आपको मेरी जरूरत है। अब ये लाइन बोलने का लॉजिक समझो। मेरे में 5 तत्व हैं, जन्म में मिले, मरण में 5 तत्व में जाऊंगा, और 5 ही तत्व नेचर में हैं। अगर वो उठाएगी तो सुबह का मैनेजमेंट वो ही करेगी, मैं नहीं करूंगा। एक बात। दूसरा, ना तो मैं घड़ी से सोता हूँ, ना मैं घड़ी से उठता हूँ। मेरा मानना है कि मैं माँ की नेचर मदर की गोद में सोता हूँ, वही मुझे सुलाती है और वो ही मुझे उठाती है। मैं सोया 9 बजे, मैं सोया 10 बजे, मैं सोया 11 बजे, उसने मुझे 2 बजे उठा दिया, तो मुझे क्या लेना देना। भाई 6 घंटे सोना है। मैं अपनी फ्रेशनेस देखता हूँ और मैं तो फ्रेश हूँ। आई सल्यूट टू द नेचर मदर। सेकेंड लाइन में बोलता हूँ, नेचर मदर, अगर आप मेरे को उठाएंगे तो मेरी बैटरी साफ करके चार्ज करके मुझे देना। और मेरा मानना है कि नेचर मदर मेरे सुलाने में परियां भेजती है, मेरे को उठाने के लिए भी परियां भेजती है, और मेरी सारी बॉडी चार्ज होके आ जाती है। और पीछे 16 साल मैंने 10 मेडिसिन खाई, 2000 से 2016 तक, और 17 के बाद 4 साल हो गया। आई हैव नॉट टेकन ए सिंगल मेडिसिन मैंने खाई, डायबिटीज की, बीपी की, एंजाइटी की, डिप्रेशन की, नींद की, कोलेस्ट्रॉल की बीच में, कॉन्स्टिपेशन की बीच में, पाइल्स की, प्रोस्टेट की। और 4 साल से मैं 4 चीजों पर रिसर्च कर रहा हूँ, हेल्थ, हैप्पीनेस, मोटिवेशन एंड लाइफस्टाइल। सुबह उठ के एक लाइन बोलता हूँ, इस नेचर में मेरे सिवा कोई नहीं है, अभी मैं ही पैदा हुआ हूँ, और जो मेरे को मिलेगा अपनी तरह से उसका सेवा करना मेरा काम। दैट्स ऑल।
Thank you so much, Mr. Gulati, for the valuable input.
मैं आपको कुछ अपने वीडियो भेजूंगा। मेरे बच्चों के डांस भी होते हैं। मैं अपने ब्रेन को दिन में 1 दिन के बच्चे से लेके 100 साल के बुढ़े में मूव करता हूँ।
That's awesome. Champa, we have few questions in the chat box.
Yes.
Yeah. What chemicals do we release during laughter therapy?
There are 3 main chemicals that we release. One is dopamine and endorphins. These are the 3 main happiness hormones which we release during laughter therapy. And there is another love hormone called oxytocin, which is released when people meet, greet, hug each other. So even people who live alone, if they have pets, hugging and cuddling the pets also helps to release that oxytocin hormone as well. So these are the 4 main hormones, out of which 3 can automatically be generated by the body, especially even in a virtual session of laughter yoga, and in live session, even oxytocin is possible.
That's a question from Sharmi. Sharmi, I hope that answers your question. And Kaushik is asking that, do you have a learning video of laughter yoga?
I do not have a learning video yet, but yeah, I'm
I'll
available
share
for
the
sessions.
YouTube video today. You can learn from that.
Yes, yes. There is a lot more exercises. Of course, it will be helpful. Thank you, ma'am.
We have a raised hand by Vijaya. Vijaya, you can unmute and ask the question.
Thank you, Swati ma'am. Ma'am, I just wanted to understand if you are saying that this is helpful for people with blood pressure as well. I could see my heartbeat or my heart rate go up. So how far is it helpful for them, or would that actually turn a little fatal because they are already on a high BP mode? So would this?
Thank you so much. It's a great question, Vijaya. Thank you so much. I should have addressed this. So people who have already a high BP condition, or in an asthmatic condition, or somebody who has gone through some kind of a surgery, especially bypass surgery or any other surgeries. So laughter yoga is also for them, but you should do it understanding your limitations. For you, it should be subdued laughter. Do the laughter followed by the breathing exercises. That is going to help you. However, it is not mandatory. There is no force, and you should understand your condition before you actually participate in laughter yoga, especially the hearty kind of laughter.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Most welcome. Yes, Manoj.
Manoj.
Hi, Shampa. First of all, I would like to thank you and congratulate you for this awesome session. It was such a mind-blowing session. Like, I have no words to express it. It was very nice. Thank you so much. And I just had one question, which I just want to, because I also do these breathing exercises, but I just want to know the logic. So since you said that, once you inhale, that you have to inhale like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to hold your breath again, like 1, 2, 3, 4, then exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. So is there any logic behind it? Just
okay. So this is for beginners, basically, Manoj. Okay. So people there are a lot of people who practice deep breathing. They will be able to deep breathe very, very slowly. So basically, yogis, if you ask me, yogis breathe for only 15 cycles in a minute. We cannot do that. Okay, that is why they live long. They do not have ailments. They do not have diseases and can live heartily, unlike people like us. So the whole count. So if you start with 3 counts, 1, 2, 3, hold, and 1, 2, 3. What is the logic? Deep breathing, you will have to practice. Slowly move up from 3. Generally, even my father, who's 82 years old, I practice deep breathing. He cannot inhale beyond 3 count. But so you start with 3, then you see you move to 4, 5, 6, 7. Slowly, 6 is normal and it is good enough for people like us. So why do we hold the breath? We hold the breath so that the oxygen can actually be utilized completely in the body. And then we breathe out slowly as well, so that we exhale from each corner of our lungs. We breathe out completely. As I said in the very beginning, our lungs work with 60% capacity. So to throw out the carbon dioxide from our lungs, it takes time. So breathe out slowly. If you feel that breathing out through the nose is difficult, start with breathing through the mouth like this. This also works. Sometimes people, there are people who find it difficult to breathe out so slowly through the nose. Okay. But so you can do this with the mouth as well. I hope I could answer your question.
Yeah. So it is like once you inhale it should 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you can hold.
You hold 1, 2, 3, 4.
And release.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2,
so
3, 4.
Whatever number of count, keep it constant 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So as you know, you will increase your lung capacity slowly. So you start with whatever is comfortable, minimum 3 everybody can do. So you start with 3 and then you can understand your own capacity and then you can increase the counts. And once you get used to it, you don't need to count anymore. You count it in your mind.
Okay. Fine. And it will be helpful for all sort of like anxiety, stress,
Oh yes, yes, yes,
everything,
yes,
right?
yes.
If you're getting angry also, sometimes it
Yes.
will
The
anger.
moment you feel anger is hitting you, झगड़ा हो गया किसी से, you are angry, stop, breathe.
Okay.
15 cycles, you will see you are calming down. You have my number as well. We are all a part of the same group. You can let me know.
Sure.
I can help you out in case you are not being able to do it initially. I'll be more than happy
Sure.
to help you out.
Thank you so much, Amba.
Most welcome. It's a pleasure.
Yeah. Thank you.
Any other questions we have?
Yes, we have. Somebody is raising.
Siddharaju wants to ask something.
Yes, please.
Siddharaju, you have to unmute yourself.
Shantanu, thank you very much for the mind-blowing session. It's a really nice experience with the webinar you are interacting and making us laugh, whether it is possible. I was thinking of stuff, but after that, we only enjoyed a lot.
May I request you to just push your microphone a little away from you? Yeah, that will be better.
Yeah.
Now please speak. Yeah, clear.
Yeah, initially we were thinking, is it possible to interact with laughing in the webinar session itself by having different platform people over here? But after few minutes, we enjoyed like children's. Okay, thank you very much for the process. And only last question: when the babies are sleeping, cute babies, 1 or 2 years, at the sleeping stage, they used to laugh, very cute smile. What may be the reactions with the children's psychology, or what kind of the chemicals reactions inside the body? Just can you elaborate?
I think there are two questions. There are two parts to this question. One, children. There is something called, now this is a different subject altogether. There is something called deja vu that happens to us. There is something called memories from the last birth. So when babies are sleeping, they remember fond memories either of the last birth or of fond happy situation when the baby was in the mother's womb. Okay, because during those 9.5, 10 months, the mother talks to the baby.
Yeah.
Okay, even the fathers too. So the baby, once the brain has developed, the mind has developed, they also get to understand that. You will see babies who have been listening to songs all through the mother's pregnancy will react to the same song even after childbirth. That is because it sounds familiar to them. Okay, so same thing when the baby is sleeping, it is something pleasant that he or she is either remembering or seeing it as a part of their dream. And as far as the chemicals are concerned, as I said, there are 3 primary chemicals, happiness chemicals, that is, thank you, Mr. Singh. So they are the serotonins, the dopamines and endorphins. When you run, the endorphins, when you are an athlete, easily can generate endorphins in the body. But the serotonin and the dopamines, it has to be through happiness. And happiness, a shortcut way, the best way, the easiest way is laughter. If you see a person just walk down and you are going in with a serious face and he's smiling at something or thinking about something, you will see automatically a smile comes to your face as well, unconsciously.
Yeah, that's
so
right.
Right? So
Yeah.
Smile is infectious, then laughter is contagious. It has more contagion capacity than even COVID-19, which is positive, which will only spread health and happiness amongst all. And of course, the oxytocin hormone, hug your loved ones more. That is going to bring in a lot of happiness hormones. There's a lot of power in hug and appreciation. Even a pat on the back or a social hug, in your corporate life, it works wonders. It actually, prevents a lot of stress, takes away tension, even within a few seconds.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so
Most
much for
welcome.
your detailed information within.
Pleasure. Thank you. It's my passion and it's my belief. Thank you.
एक और पूछ लो.
If Swati ma'am allows, I don't mind.
Actually, I have another session. If it's very quick, we can go ahead because I have to start my another session as well.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Hello. हाँ, जब मैं लाफ्टर क्लब में जाता हूँ कई बार, तो वहाँ जब आधा घंटा 45 मिनट लाफ्टर करते हैं पार्क में, उसके बाद वो एक बर्थडे पार्टी, किसी की मैरिज पार्टी होती है, समोसे पकौड़े और कैंपे पीते हैं, और जो उनको एनर्जी मिली है वो क्या डिप्लीट हो जाती है, मेरे हिसाब से वो खत्म हो जाती है. इस पे आप क्या कहेंगे?
Happiness is to share. और वो जिसको जिस तरीके से हैप्पीनेस मिले, प्रोवाइडेड इट इज पॉजिटिव. आप मुझे भी समोसा खिला दीजिए, मैं भी खुश हो जाऊंगी. कब से नहीं खाया है. आई एम श्योर अ वर्चुअल समोसा पार्टी फॉर ऑल विल बी ग्रेट. कुछ खत्म नहीं होता सर. इट इज हैप्पीनेस.
मैं अभी देता हूँ, फिर अभी देता हूँ. मेरी दाल ना गले तो मैं दाल बदल देता हूँ. मुर्गी ना फंसे तो जाल बदल देता हूँ. अब मछली ना फंसे तो जाल बदल देता हूँ. आजकल तो रोज दल बदल लेते हैं. मैं हर साल ससुराल बदल लेता हूँ. मगर वो कैसे हुआ, देखो कैसे हुआ. तो जब मेरी शादी होनी थी तो मैं आपकी दादी के पास गया. मैंने पूछा, दादी आप बताओ, आपकी तो शादी होगी, मेरे को कैसे करनी है. आपकी दादी ने कहा, भाई गुलाटी जी जाओ, मगर बीवी मत देखना, ससुर झगड़े वाले लेना. मैं 2 दिन बाद गया. मैंने कहा, माता जी मिल गए वो तो मैंने कहा, ये एक दिक्कत है. कह रहे क्या दिक्कत है. मैं कहा, झगड़ा तो खूब करते हैं मगर वो किराए पे रहते हैं. कह रहे बेटा सोने पे सुहागा. तो मैंने शादी कर ली. तो मुझे पता लगा कि उनका मकान तो 11 महीने बाद बदल जाता है. 40 साल बाद मेरी बीवी वही है, उसकी सहेलियां बदल जाती. ये है देखो, तो कैसे भी जी सकते हो. तो मैंने एक दिन अपनी बीवी से पूछा, मैंने कहा आपने मेरे को हाँ क्यों कर दी. कहती मेरे को आपका नाम पसंद आया. मैं क्या मिला मेरे नाम में, राकेश कुमार गुलाटी. कहती आप में रिक्रिएशनल है, आप में काइट है, बच्चों की तरह उड़ते हो. हेलो, कट गया था. हेलो है अभी है.
हेलो यस प्लीज, वी कैन हियर यू.
आ रही है आवाज.
हाँ जी.
हाँ, तो कह रही आर के गुलाटी, कह रही आप में आर से रिक्रिएशनल है, के से काइट है, और जी से गुड भी है, गॉड भी है. तो मेरे दादी ने पर मुझे बताया था. मैंने कहा मेरा नाम राकेश कुमार गुलाटी क्यों रखा. कह रही आर फॉर राम और आर फॉर रावण. आप में ही राम है, आप में ही रावण है. के फॉर कृष्ण, के फॉर कंस. आप में ही कृष्ण है, आप में ही कंस है. जी फॉर गॉड, आप ही भगवान हैं. हेलो
यस सर, वी आर लिसनिंग.
आवाज आ रही है, कट जाती है.
आ रहा है सर.
हाँ, तो मैंने कहा मैं भगवान कैसे हूँ. कह रही आपको कहीं मंदिर गुरुद्वारे नहीं जाना, जो आपको मिलेगा भगवान है. अब आप साहब मेरे सामने भगवान ही तो बैठे हुए हैं. तो सलूट टू ऑल.
थैंक यू सो मच.
मैंने पूछा राम कब बनना है, रावण कब बनना है दादी. कहती जब राम मिले तो रावण बन जाओ, राम बन जाओ. अगर रावण मिले तो रावण बन जाओ, कोई मुश्किल नहीं है.
Thank you so much, Mr. Gulati, and I think we have to close now, Shampa.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, so thank you so much everyone who stayed till now, and it was a great session, Shampa. I have no words right now because I enjoyed a lot. Yeah, and laughed a lot, in that 40 minutes. You were doing all that. I don't know from there where you got all that energy in afternoon. So, and I enjoyed. I usually do all this, you already know. But then I enjoyed with you, looking at you, what all you are doing in Zoom call, and never expected on the Zoom call. So very beautiful chats are there. You can check. I will share with you that as well. And
Thank you so much.
yeah, thank you so much, and
Thank
have a
you.
nice evening, everyone. And thank you so much, Shampa, for coming on board.
Please,
And
please
let's
keep laughing and spread laughter.
yes, yes,
thank you.
very
It has
good.
a lot of power. It has a lot of power. More power to all of us. Thank you so
All
much.
right, bye
Thank
bye,
you.
bye
Thanks
bye,
to all.
everyone. Have a nice
Bye.
evening.
Bye-bye.
See ya. That's Dr. Swati from Trainers Club signing off. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.